In this video, I am going to show you how to take a YouTube closed caption, pull it out, clean it up in Microsoft Word so that you're able to input it back as a new closed caption. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is, starting in YouTube, is go to your YouTube studio. So over in the right hand side, click on your profile image, select YouTube Studio. Next, click on Videos. And what you are going to want to do is get to the details of your video. So find the video that you want to use, click on Details. And over on the left-hand side, you're going to want to go to Subtitles. From there, you are going to download the subtitles. And so it will create a file, and I'm just going to open this up. So I open it up in my notepad, and so you can see that each line has a number to it. And this is basically how to keep it in sync on YouTube. But it's kind of a pain to clean it up here. I mean, I could possibly do it, but it just takes a lot longer. So I want to show you a shorter way of doing that. So I'm going to select all, Control A to select all, and copy that. And now I'm going to close this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Microsoft Word and get to a blank document. And I want to go ahead and paste that entire document in there. So Control V, and there is my closed captioning text. So the next thing is I want to put it into a format that makes it easy to get rid of all the timestamp. And so this is what I do. So the first thing I do is I turn on paragraph markings. And so I have these paragraph markings. So if you notice, I have two paragraph markings right next to each other. That creates that blank line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace those with a not common character set so I can clean those up later. So I'm going to hit Control H for replace, and it looks like that. So the paragraph marking is a caret P, and what I'm looking for is two of them right in a row. And what I want to do is I'm going to replace those with 3 @ signs. Now I have been doing this for probably 30 years, and this is just a little technique that I picked up. It works tremendously well because I don't normally find 3 @ signs together. And so I'm going to replace all of them. And so now it looks like that. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to find my other paragraph marker, and I am going to change that into a tab. So caret T. And I will replace all. And so now there is a tab between those items. So lastly, I want to find those 3 @ signs and replace it with a single paragraph marker and replace all. And I'm going to close this now. So now it looks like this. So from this point, I can hit Control A to select all of it. And what I want to do is I want to convert it into a table. So I'll go to, from the menu, choose Insert. And instead of just choosing Table, I'm going to hit the down arrow there. And there's an option to convert text to a table. So I want 2 columns, and it's going to be separated by a tab. So that's why we put the tabs in there. Click OK. And now I have a table with tabs. So what I want to do is get rid of the timestamps. So I'm going to select that row, right click on that row, and I have an option to delete columns. And so now I have gone ahead and deleted all the columns. So the next step is a little tricky because I couldn't find a tool obvious to get rid of my tables. So I had to use the menu at the very top. There is a where I can customize the access toolbar. So I selected that and went to more commands. And when you look at all the commands, one of the commands that is available is convert a table to text. So I went ahead and already added that. So that's part of my menu. So I'm not going to do it again. So I will go ahead and select the table, and I have that toolbar up at the top, convert to text, and I will use paragraph markings. Although I can save a step by using a space, but I'm going to go with paragraph markings for this and click OK. And so now I have just text, but it's just one block of text. So the last step is going to Control H. I am going to look for a paragraph marker and replace it with a single space and replace all. And so now I have a full transcript of what I said. It is now a matter of going in and cleaning this up and add punctuation, add capitalization where it's appropriate, and just make sure that this is ready to go. And then we can go into the second part, which is putting it back into YouTube. So I will take care of cleaning this up, but this is how you can go ahead and pull this out. I will write a blog post to walk through the steps step by step, but this is how you do it. Thanks for watching.